road. We got one big old standing wave right there. All this here water pouring over that ledge and making that great big old pump hole right there. You're going to want to charge it hard and ram that thing. Now we got a little interesting treat for you. We got some crazies coming down on some boogie boards. That's some redneck stuff right there. Oh, hitting the wave. Alright, something I want to point out to you guys. We got the Maytag pour over ledge right there. You don't want to mess with that thing. So you just want to be over here in the meat, pedal hard and charge it. First rapid of the day. Now we're gonna go just downstream on the other side of that there railroad bridge right there, lower railroad, and we're gonna do some Appalachian surf action. Alright. Alrighty, now on the downstream side of that there railroad bridge, we are at lower railroad, and what we have here is another big old drop into a big frothy foam pile right there, creating what we like to call an Appalachian surf. You can see that guy is getting surfed in that big old hole. You got the little hole right here. You got that big old hole right there. You want to try to surf the doo-doo out of it. You got no services. Hope you can breathe right. Below the surfaces. Damn, where all the dendrites? Your watch band, still your insight. One last pressure before you go. One last break before you close your eyes for good. Your eyes for good. You're lost in my land. Been there by my hand. Your purpose futile, and in the trash can. So then you stay a while, down in your trash pile. Look out the premises. Don't go see now. Now. One last fraction before you go. One last break before you close the eye for good. I'll say before you close your eyes for good. One last fraction before you go. One last break before you close your eyes for good. I said before you close your eyes for good. Before you close your eyes for good. Before you close your eyes for good, yeah. I said it for good. You got no promises. You got no services. Surf action for you here at the lower railroad. Now we're going to go on downstream and go to our first Class 5 action attraction of the day, the Keeney Brothers Class 5. Dun dun dun! Our first class 5 rabbit of the day, lower Keenies. Check it out, guys. This is one part of a big 3-part rapid starting all the way up here at Whale Rock. This is our first class 5 of the day and the biggest, baddest ride of the day. As you can see, the entire flow of the river is being forced down that channel along the left-hand side of the river there, creating all those gnarly monster waves. You want to avoid all those big nasty rocks all over there. There's wash-up rock right there. That's a bad place to be. Also, on the other side of the river, we got the meat grinder. That is a nasty place to be too. You're going to keep yourself out of there. It's a big old jumble of undercut rocks and sieves. You'll go in, but you won't come out. And if you do come out, it'll grind your meat. That's why we call it the meat grinder. So stay over here.
I could be wrong, but I think we go right. If we're off track, we'll all be in for a fight. There were holes inside the house of water piled up in mountains, spraying like the fountains of hell. Right then, a rise caught me by surprise. I said, this raft is flipping over, and it's deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. I let out a scream. I hope it's all a bad dream, cause I know it's deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck. Deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck. This can't be my destiny. I got a woman at home that I wanna see. I got 100 loose ends that I haven't tied up. I never wrote a will. Who's gonna get my stuff? I didn't pay my cell phone bill last month, but I gotta make it back. Going to swim extra fast, get back to the raft. Start picking up my friends, we'll be rolling again. And it's deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck. Deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck. Deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck. Deep and dark at the bottom. There's only one way up. If you can hold your breath, you can fight off death. I hope I got the kind of luck.
Nicely done, folks, making that big bad class 5 look like a little old class 0. Now we got another stop for you of the non-whitewater variety. We're going to go on down to Jump Rock.